Roads go ever, ever on. Over rock and under tree. By caves where never sun has shone. By streams that never find the sea. Over grass and over stone. And under mountains in the moon. Under cloud and under star. Yet the feet that wandering have gone turn at last to home afar. Eyes that fire and sword have seen, and horror in the halls of stone, look at last on meadows green, and trees and hills they long have known. The road goes ever on and on, out from the door where it began. Now far ahead the road has gone. Let others follow if they can. But I at last, with weary feet, will turn towards the lighted inn, my evening rest, and sleep to meet.